Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mystery Solving School. So today I am going to make an analysis video on Pakistani leg spinner Shadab Khan. I will reveal the kinds of variations he has and how he holds his deliveries and bowls those. So if Shadab Khan is your idol and if you have been trying to bowl like Shadab Khan, watch this video till the end. I think at the end of this video you are going to be very benefited.
Chopped off. Goes across the crease. There's a big.
So I have gone through a long analysis on Shadab Khan's all video clips that exist on YouTube, and what I found, Shadab Khan has overall 4 kinds of variations. Those are leg spin, googly, which most of the leg spinners have in their armory, but along with these 2 deliveries, Shadab Khan has a flipper type of delivery. Now I thought Shadab Khan doesn't bowl flipper. I mean, nowadays I thought no, there isn't any leg spinner who bowl flipper, but I was wrong. I came to know that Shadab Khan bowls flipper. And the final delivery of Shadab Khan is a quicker delivery, seema faster delivery. So these 4 are the major deliveries of Shadab Khan that he bowls in a match. Okay, let me discuss about these 4 deliveries elaborately one by one. Let's discuss about his leg spin first. So his leg spin grip is normal leg spin grip, 2 fingers up, 2 fingers down type of leg spin grip that Shane Warne used to bowl at his time. So what he does, he grips the ball like this way and he uses this 3rd finger for bowling his leg spin. What he does, when he goes to release his leg spin, he releases the ball, his wrist position is like this. He releases the ball like this way, uses this finger, flicks the ball like this way, and his ball goes like this and he turns away from right-handed batsman. So you can see that Shadab Khan's leg spin is similar to other leg spinners, most of the leg spinners apart from Rashid Khan.
Hitting straight. This one playing across.
That's all about my analysis on his leg spin. Okay, let's discuss about his googly.
Here he goes, googly, big shout, outside the line.
So what he does, Shadab Khan, this time for bowling his googly, he uses the same leg spin grip and he still uses the same this finger for bowling this googly. So what he does, when he goes to bowl his googly, this time his grip is same. He still uses this finger for bowling his googly, but the only change he brings, that is he releases the ball from the back of his finger, nothing else. So normally his wrist position when he releases his googly is like this, and most of the leg spinners wrist position remain like this. But I found Rahul Chahar different from this point. What he does, Rahul Chahar's wrist position is like this. When he releases his googly, I discuss all about this thing in the video that I made on Rahul Chahar. If you missed that video, you can find the video in the description below, also on the I button. So what he does, Shadab Khan's wrist position is like this. When he releases his googly, he releases the ball from the back of his hand, flicks the ball like this way. The ball goes like this and it turns into right-handed batsman, and that's his googly. These 2 are the major deliveries, leg spin and googly of Shadab Khan, and most of the time he sticks to these deliveries, leg spin and googly, and he has been thoroughly successful by bowling these 2 deliveries. But along with these 2 deliveries, I have seen Shadab Khan bowling 2 more additional deliveries. Those are a flipper and a faster delivery.
Opting for spin early on.
I bowls his flipper. I have already uploaded a video that I made on flipper. You can also find the video in the description below. But one more time, today I am going to discuss about how to bowl a flipper and how Shadab Khan bowls his flipper. Okay, to be honest, I am not 100% sure that this is the flipper delivery of Shadab Khan, but I guess this is on a flipper type of delivery. That's why I am saying this. So what you have to do for bowling a flipper, we all can do this. Just we all can do this, clicking our fingers. And for bowling this flipper, you have to have this ability. So what you have to do, you have to grip the ball at the bottom of your wrist. Normal leg spin or googly grips ball are gripped at the deep of the wrist, but for bowling flipper, you have to grip the ball at the bottom of your wrist. So what you have to do, you have to flick the ball like this way. As you can do this. So for bowling flipper, you have to do this, nothing else, like this. You have to flick the ball like this way. So normally what you have to do for releasing this flipper, as I have described in this video, Shadab Khan releases his leg spin from over side of his wrist and he releases his googly also from back of his wrist. But for bowling flipper, what you have to do, or what Shadab Khan does, he releases the ball from the below of his wrist. So what he does, he grips the ball at the bottom of his fingers, not at the deep of his wrist, bottom of his fingers, and he releases the ball like this way, flicks the ball. As I have told you, from this position you have to flick the ball like this way, and he also does this, I guess, and he pieces the ball little bit short. Batsman thinks that this is a short delivery, okay, so they decide to play a pull shot going on their back foot, but as this bowlers ball little bit quickly, so batsman normally most of the time gets bamboozled being LBW or bowled. So this is Shadab Khan's flipper delivery. The last delivery that I found Shadab Khan bowl, that is his faster delivery, seam up delivery.
Goes across the crease. There's a big shout and it's given.
I said seam up, but probably he gives the ball across cross seam, but the grip is seam up. These two fingers are involved for bowling this grip. What he does, he just bows very quickly, fired this delivery, bows very quickly, and normally it becomes a quicker delivery. So
He gave himself a shimmy outside the off stump. Couldn't quite make contact.
these four are the major deliveries of Shadab Khan, but most of the time he sticks to his leg spin and googly. And if you have been trying to be a bowler like Shadab Khan, you don't need to concern about these four deliveries at the beginning. You should start practicing leg spin and googly, and once you can master these two deliveries, then only you can start trying this flipper type of delivery. So this was my overall analysis on Shadab Khan. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.